Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Tuesday, March 31st. I don't think anybody's going to want to do an April Fool's joke tomorrow on the 1st of April. We've got enough to deal with as it is. Youth in care in BC won't age out of services during the COVID situation. And we have some local reaction from Peter Lang. You might remember his son Nick died in care 5 years ago. The other day, just a couple of days ago, Nick would have been 20. We'll leave you with that. Hospital pay parking temporarily suspended. This was a major issue over the last couple of weeks, where nurses, instead of a 12-hour shift, you're doing 16 to 18. You come off, you're beat, you're dead tired, you want to go home, and what's sitting on your windshield? But a ticket. Excuse me. So that has been waived for the time being. City of Chilliwack, Cultus Lake, dog parks, off limits now, off leash, sorry. No, I was going to throw that in for a bad joke. Walking on the trails is fine. Practice social distancing, that's the big thing. Kids help phone. A lot of people are getting stressed out. Kids, they seem resilient, but they know what's going on. They're supposed to be in school now. Well, of course, there's no school. And to which, of course, school districts are still trying to figure out how they're going to do online teaching. That hasn't been ironed out yet either. So we're going to be following that as well. Fort Langley, the Jazz and Arts Festival, the Rising Star applications actually end today. They are still hoping, knock on wood, they have something later this summer. We mentioned the other day, Harrison Festival, they were going to make their announcement for the roster. That's been pushed back to at least May. So we'll see how that goes. GST will come out for everyone on Friday, but it won't have the bump up that was promised by the federal government. That will come in a month, in May. So we'll keep an eye on that. Also, later today on FraserValleyNewsNetwork.com, on the FVN website, we'll have a chart of all the financial aids that are available, some of which you won't qualify for, some of which you will. Being that I am the owner of FVN, I am self-employed, there's some things I qualify for, some things I won't. So there we are. Tip of the hat to all essential services, to frontline healthcare workers, to city construction workers who still have to go out there and fix sewers and such. Everybody who has to do that, hats off to you. We are finding that this 7 o'clock pots and pans applauds thing, it's working in Vancouver. We understand it's working in some areas, but not all areas. It'd be kind of nice to see everyone kind of just get out at 7 o'clock and do a woohoo on the balcony or the front porch. Just saying. If there's something we should know about, something we should update, let us know. We'll have a story on BC truckers later today as well. FVN at shaw.ca. FVN at shaw.ca. Take good care of yourself, and as always, wash your damn hands. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.